Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravi Agrari. You people are listening me on KSG India platform. So guys, from last many years, satellite, shuttle, spacecraft, even very popular. Even from the beginning, I will remember guys, the first satellite that India launched, Aryabhatta. That was very popular and really guys, whole country even celebrate as Deepavali. The reason was it was the beginning in the space research work. So in this aspect, I'm connecting with you in this lecture, and here especially I just wanted to introduce you what about the satellite, what about the shuttle, and what about the spacecraft. In general aspect, you should be clear the concept of spacecraft first. Spacecraft, all objects that we send in space. So every object those human being made and humans send in the space is called a spacecraft. Now question is, what is the space? From the earth surface beyond 100 kilometer you go guys. So 100 kilometer beyond from our surface, in general statement I'm telling you, it is a space. So a spacecraft go beyond 100 kilometer officially. Spacecraft as a satellite, spacecraft as a shuttle. So these are two types of spacecraft. Generally those I can tell you guys. Now question is, what about satellite? Satellite is a kind of spacecraft that go in space, and there are two types. The one I hope you know very well, that is a natural satellite. In geography you read it. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth, and a part of this artificial or man-made satellite. Artificial and man-made satellite that human being develop and we send into the Earth orbit. So artificial satellite, that is a part of technology we send into the Earth orbit. And what is the Earth orbit? Earth orbit means Earth attraction. Now question is, what is the Earth attraction? Earth attraction means guys, Earth gravity. From the Earth's surface up to 36,000 kilometer distance, approx 36,000 kilometer distance, Earth attraction present. This is called Earth gravity, yeah, Earth attractions. So when we people launch the satellite, so that satellite will go up to 36,000 kilometers maximum. And different distances are given accordingly in physics to put the satellite for many purposes. So satellite is a man-made artificial satellite. Okay, and that satellite will never come back guys. Those satellite you put into the orbit, satellite being there guys, only there and only there. They will never come back. So this is the reason satellite is that kind of the spacecraft. Those we put into the orbit but never come back. So it means satellite cannot be reusable. With time, all these satellites are going to become as a space junk. And the first time there's about the space junk, okay, Kessler even defined. And that is the reason with the name of Kessler, who firstly identified this type of space junk. Those are going to increase in the space with time. From last many years, many of the countries are sending many satellites in the space. After completion of that lifespan, they become as a space junk. These all become popular as a Kessler syndrome. So this is the space satellites, and these space satellite after completion of lifespan become as a Kessler syndrome, is a space junk or a space debris. A part of guys, the second example of spacecraft you see, that is called shuttle. Shuttle is totally different from the satellite. Shuttle is also a kind of a spacecraft, go in the space. But shuttle have one more opportunity. Opportunity with the shuttle that it will further come back. It means we can use shuttle again and again and again. So it is reusable. Shuttle never become as a space junk in the space. And this is the reason shuttle can go and come back. It can be used to send a manned space mission. That you know very well guys. In the case of India, India is planning to send a Gaganyaan mission by 2022. By 2022 that India has planned, definitely it will become possible with the help of shuttle. So shuttle will go and come back. So this is the reason in the space delivery system, if you want to deliver something in the space, so shuttle will utilize. If you people have seen a movie Gravity, so how these people even visited in the space guys, of course through the help of shuttle. But what happened in that movie, I hope you people know very well. Some casualty happened and totally their shuttle broken down, and finally what happened, they even suffer a lot of problem to come back toward the surface. So shuttle, where human being can go. Shuttle you can use to install something in the space. As I can give you example of space station. Space station is a human made object, and lot of the small modules shuttle carry and install where at some height, maybe at 500-600 kilometer, where the International Space Station developed. So International Space Station is a very huge size of body, And this huge size of body even stalled there with the help of shuttle. Small modules carried by shuttle and all assembled there. And finally in 8 years, 10 years, 15 years, a complete international space station is ready for your personal uses. Space station is utilizing for many kind of space research work. So in that way, here I just to define you guys satellites, shuttle and spacecraft. So I hope you people very clear with all the basic terminologies. So thank you everybody. I will stop here. You take care of yourself. Have a good day and stay tuned with us, KSG India platform. Thank you.